Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best charcoal grills available on the market right now. Whether you're grilling in your backyard or heading out for camping, these grills offer fantastic value and performance across various price ranges. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Gas One 14-inch portable barbecue grill. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on portability, this grill is a fantastic choice. It features a 150 square inch cooking surface, which is compact yet spacious enough for small meals like steaks or vegetables. The 3-point locking lid not only traps heat, but also allows safe transport, making it an excellent choice for camping trips or picnics. The dual venting system ensures consistent airflow to maintain a steady flame and optimal cooking temperatures. Plus, the ash catcher helps minimize mess during cleanup. The design is lightweight, weighing only 4 pounds, and is powder-coated for durability. However, being a budget option, it lacks some of the robust build quality found in higher-priced models. While it's perfect for individuals or small groups, it may not cater well to larger gatherings due to its small cooking area. Overall, this grill is ideal for those who want a portable, affordable solution for casual grilling. Pros include its portability, affordability, and ease of use, while cons include its small cooking surface and limited durability compared to higher-end grills. At number 4, we have the generic charcoal grill outdoor BBQ grill, a barrel-style grill designed for backyard parties and camping trips. With an impressive 500 square inch cooking area and an additional chrome-plated warming rack, this grill provides ample space for cooking multiple items at once, ideal for hosting larger gatherings. The enamel-coated grilling grates are resistant to high temperatures and easy to clean, making maintenance hassle-free. The lid-mounted thermometer gauge allows precise temperature monitoring, while the 4-level adjustable charcoal pan offers excellent heat control. Its design includes 2 wheels for easy mobility and a sturdy side table for food prep and seasoning placement. The bottom shelf adds extra storage for grilling tools, enhancing the overall convenience. While this grill delivers solid performance and capacity, it lacks some of the premium features found in higher-end models, such as a smoker attachment or premium material finishes. This grill is perfect for users who need a reliable, mid-range option for casual or semi-frequent grilling. Pros include its large cooking area, adjustable charcoal pan, and ease of mobility, whereas cons include limited advanced features and a slightly heavier build. Coming in at number 3 is the Royal Gourmet CC 1830W 30-inch charcoal grill with offset smoker. This grill is a powerhouse for outdoor barbecue enthusiasts who appreciate authentic, smoky flavors. With a massive 811 square inch cooking area, including 443 square inches of porcelain enameled steel wire grates, a 184 square inch warming rack, and a 184 square inch offset smoker, this grill is perfect for handling large party meals. The smoker attachment adds versatility to your cooking, allowing you to prepare succulent smoked meats alongside traditional grilled foods. The design includes height-adjustable charcoal pans for better heat control and ample prep space with wood-painted side and front tables. It even features extra hooks for hanging grilling tools and a mesh bottom shelf for storage. While its size and features make it a go-to for experienced grillers, the assembly process can be time-consuming, and its heavy build might not be ideal for portability. This grill is best suited for barbecue enthusiasts who host large gatherings or enjoy experimenting with smoking techniques. Pros include its large cooking area, smoker functionality, and adjustable heat control, while cons include its weight and complex assembly. At number 2, we have the Weber Original Kettle 22-inch charcoal grill, a classic and reliable choice for outdoor grilling. This grill holds up to 13 burgers when using the Weber burger press, making it suitable for family meals or small gatherings. It includes a porcelain enameled lid and bowl for superior heat retention, ensuring even cooking while protecting against rust and peeling. The one-touch cleaning system simplifies ash disposal, saving you time and effort during cleanup. Additionally, the dampers allow precise temperature control, and the heat shield on the lid handle ensures safe grilling. The durable plated steel cooking grate is easy to clean and retains heat effectively, making it perfect for searing meats or cooking over low, consistent heat. While this grill is slightly smaller than some competitors, its build quality and performance make it a reliable and user-friendly option. Ideal for casual and frequent grillers alike, it offers a balance between affordability and quality that's hard to beat. Pros include its durability, ease of cleaning, and heat control, while cons include its smaller cooking area compared to larger models. Finally, at number 1, we have the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill, 22-inch, black. This premium model takes everything you love about the original Kettle and elevates it further. It features a high-capacity ash catcher that makes cleanup effortless, a hinged cooking grate for easily adding charcoal while grilling, and a built-in lid thermometer for precise temperature monitoring. The porcelain enameled lid and bowl ensure superior heat retention while resisting rust and peeling, making this grill durable for years of use. The grill can handle up to 13 burgers using the Weber burger press, making it perfect for family meals and gatherings. The design is sleek and functional, with glass-reinforced nylon handles and an overall sturdy build. While it's the most expensive grill on this list, its performance and features justify the price for anyone serious about outdoor grilling. It's ideal for backyard grill masters who want precision, convenience, and reliability. Pros include its premium build quality, advanced features, and ease of use, while cons include the higher price point. If you're looking for the best charcoal grill in the market, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this countdown of the top 5 charcoal grills. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products or need help choosing the right grill, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.